discussing about the listing and also basically advantages, disadvantages and so on. So let us see what are the listing requirements. So firstly, if we are making the company is getting listed, what are the requirements of that company to be listed? What the company should require? So firstly, paid up share capital should be 25 crores. So paid up share capital should be 25 crores, and also the total value of share that is traded in the market shall not be less than the 25 crores. So trading should be more than 25 crores. That would be, they will tell that the requirement is that should be more than 25 crores. The trading should be more than 25 crores. And firstly, the paid up capital, that is nothing but the amount of money that the company received from the shareholders, that should be more than 10 crores. Less than, it should not be less than 10 crore, but it should be more than 10 crore. And also, companies must be registered under Companies Act 1956 and also Companies Act 1956 as well as Companies Act 2003. So these are some of the listing requirements. So firstly, paid up capital. Paid up capital. That is equity capital. Paid up equity capital. Post issue should not be less than, as I told earlier, should not be less than 10 crores rupees. 10 crores. And also, that is minimum subscription. Rupees 10 crores is nothing. Minimum subscription. So rupees 10 crore is nothing, minimum subscription. So, and also minimum subscription of a company in an IPO, that is initial public offering, should be more than or equal to rupees 10 crore. Rupees 10 crore. So firstly, for listing, the requirement is paid up equity capital post issue should not be less than rupees 10 crore. That is minimum subscription of a company in an initial public offering should be more than or equal to rupees 10 crore. So this is first one. And also second one, the total value of shares, that is number of equity shares, post issue price, that is issue price, traded in the market, should be or shall not be less than rupees 10 crores. So this is also one requirement. And also, so the total value of shares, that is number of equity shares post issue or issue price traded in the market, shall not be less than rupees 10 crores. So this is also one requirement. And also next up, companies must be registered under 1956 Companies Act or Companies Act 2003. So registered under Companies Act 1956 or Companies Act 2003. So for listing, another requirement is companies must be registered under the Companies Act 1956 or Companies Act 1956 or Companies Act 2003. So next one, other conditions as specified below under the section conditions that needs to be fulfilled by the applicants. So these are the some listing requirement. So firstly, paid up capital. So that is nothing but the amount of money of a company received from the shareholders. So this is nothing but the amount of money that the company issued from the issuing shares. The amount of money issued, the amount of money of company received from the shareholder. Paid up is nothing but the amount of money received by issuing the shares. That is the amount of money taken from the shareholders or by issuing the shares. So paid up capital should not be less than rupees 10 crores. That is minimum subscription of a company in an initial public offering, that is IPO, should be more than or equal to rupees 10 crores. It should be 10 crore or more than 10 crore. And secondly, the total value of shares, that is number of equity shares post issue, that is at issue price, traded in the market shall not be less than the rupees 10 crore. So issue price. So total value of shares post issue traded, that is buying and selling in the market, shall not be less than the rupees 10 crores. And also nextly, companies must be registered under Companies Act 1956 and Companies Act 2003. These are some of the listing requirements for the listing in the stock exchanges. So these are some important, that is paid up capital and also total value, and also it should be registered. So you have seen what do we mean by listing. So next we will see listing procedure. So firstly, listing, it is nothing but a formal admission of a security to the trading platform for an exchange, and also it provides liquidity to the investors, and also trading of securities in the interest of investors. So we will see what are the listing procedures. So for listing, what are the procedures? So firstly, we will see shares. So shares of the company shall be offered to the public through the prospectus offered to the public through the prospectus and 25% of securities must be offered to the public. So this is what procedure for making listing. So first thing, shares of the company shall be offered to the public through the prospectus. So firstly, the company should issue the prospectus to the public, and also 25% of securities must be offered. So 25% of that company shares should be offered to the public. So prospectus. So before issuing, so prospectus should be provided to the public. So what in prospectus? So company's details should be there, and also this is one procedure. So firstly, shares of the company shall be offered to the public through the prospectus. So and 25% of the securities should be offered. And also next is date of opening of subscription receipts of the application and other details to be mentioned. So for listing of the company, so date of opening of subscription, receipts of the application, and also other details should be mentioned. So receipts of the application, that is offered. Firstly, 25% of securities must be offered to the public. That receipt should be issued. So then it should be listed. And also third one, capital structure of the company. So capital structure of the company should be wide, and the securities of the company should be in public interest. So this is also one listing procedures. So capital structure of the company should be wide, and also the securities of the company should be public interest. So the capital structure, it should be in the public interest. So like issuing of equity shares, so how much percent, and also preference shareholders, so preference shares, and also debt, what percentage of debt is issued or taken, okay, company taken. So it should be under the public interest. So capital structure, either it is debt or issued in shares, okay, it should be in terms of what public interest should be there on capital structure. And also next, the requirement is rupees 3 crores must be offered to the public. In terms of shares, so the requirement is rupees 3 crores for listing. So out of which 1.8 crores should be offered to the public. So this is also one procedure. And also, so nextly, 5 public shareholders in respect of every rupees 1 lakh of fresh issued capital, and also 10 shareholders for every rupees 1 lakh of the offer of existing capital. So these are the some leasing procedures. Okay. Shares of the company shall be offered to the public through the prospectus, and 25% of securities must be offered. And also date of opening of subscription, receipts of the application, and other details should be mentioned to become a listing in a stock exchange. And also capital structure of the company should be wide, and the securities of the company should be in public interest. And also the requirement is 3 crores, out of which 1.8 crores must be offered to the public. So this is also one listing procedures. So